name is Boitumelomokonyanestudio and I'm the project manager for Mokonyane Property Group. The house is located in Woodhill estate. It's a 2-minute walk away from a beautiful park within the estate. It's set along a quiet road, making it the perfect place to raise a young family. The home is 256 square meters on the roof, and it's sitting on a 525 square meter site. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 2-car garage and a powder room. The architecture of this home is very angular. We have a butterfly roofing combined with a flat slab roofing, creating a dynamic roofline. The front is punctuated by offset walls and decorative pillars to give it dimension. We went for an earth-toned color scheme along with charcoal window frames and doors. The idea is to create a modern house that still looks warm and inviting. The barbecue area is highlighted by a red country brick we used to clear the chimney. Our biggest challenge was making a home this size feel like it has the grandeur of a large modern build. The best way to do that was to use light and bright colors, as well as introduce a lot of reflective surfaces. What this does is bounce light around the home, making it feel bigger than it actually is. We chose a light grey paint on the wall that would act as a base for all other finishes. We chose a white porcelain tile with a modern marble look finish. We paired this with the white ceilings, the white skirtings, as well as the white doors and door frames. Charcoal and polished silver were chosen for the trim, giving us an opportunity to tie the exterior and the interior of the home. The use of these colors can be seen on the fixtures and fittings. This can be seen by the lights, the door handles, the tap fixtures, the shower frame, and other small details in the home. The interior of this home is inspired by the floor plan. It's an open plan home with the entry foyer leading into the large living and dining room. This area is connected to a large kitchen and opens up to a covered patio. The ceilings in the living room are 3.5 meters high. We created box heads in the ceiling so we could separate the living and dining room. The height meant that we had to use large-sized lighting to fill the space. We went for 2 industrial-themed lights with Edison bulbs. Like many homes we've built, our client wanted the kitchen to be the heart of the home. The kitchen was an exercise in balance between dark and light. The cabinetry is a 2-toned color scheme. The top is a color called Devon Silver. It's a neutral gray that has a satin finish. We paired it with a darker gray that has the stone-like pattern. We particularly loved the white streaky lines that gave it an agey marble look, bringing a contemporary element to the kitchen. To balance the dark colors, we chose a pure white quartz countertop, as well as a white textured wall tile. We wanted the wall tile to be white so that it doesn't compete with the pattern of the bottom cabinets. I particularly enjoyed the 3D texture of the tile. It adds a lot of character without making the space feel too busy. To complete the kitchen, we went for a geometric extractor fan, sleek glass ovens, as well as a glass cooktop. It is finished off by unique lighting that illuminates the space. The 5-panel folding door opens up to a spacious patio with a built-in wood-fired barbecue. Because it's covered, it's the perfect space to entertain all year round. The guest bedroom of the home is front-facing with a large window letting light in. It has a grey washed wood flooring and grey built-in cupboards. The bathroom has a patterned white tile along with a freestanding bathtub, a vanity and a toilet. The other 3 bedrooms are at the back of the home, with the 2 kids' bedrooms similar to that of the guest room. The kids' bathroom has a light grey porcelain tile with the same setup as the guest bedroom. The highlight of the bedrooms has to be the primary suite. We used the same flooring, but we differentiated the cupboards. This time we went for a lighter grey. It also has push-to-open doors and handles for the drawers. This leads to a spacious bathrooms with a freestanding bathtub, a large vanity, and a black framed shower. The best part of this home has to be how it lets a lot of natural light in, be it through the front door or the main bedroom or the folding door. There are large windows and spaces all over the home. The result is a beautifully lit space that complements all the best features of the house. For more information about Mokonyane Property Group, please see the details in the description. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content.